The Johannesburg Magistrate's Court has made an order to deport some of the undocumented foreign nationals arrested during raids in the city centre last week.
The nationals failed to prove that they are in the country legally and are expected to be deported within the next 30 days. They'll be detained at the Lindela Repatriation Centre in Krugersdorp, west of Joburg. Meanwhile, 10 law enforcement officials also made a brief appearance.
7 police vans ferrying over 360 alleged illegal traders. And then, a fully packed courtroom. The foreign nationals waiting to hear their fate. They were divided in various courts according to their nationality. But many did not have lawyers. They represented themselves instead. A swift verdict followed for those without valid documentation.
I have therefore signed the warrant confirming your detention at Lindela for purposes of deportation. You will be held at Lindela for the next 30 days until such time that they are in a position to deport you from South Africa.
And in Court 20, police officials also facing the music. The number has now risen to 10 from 7.
The accused before court are going to be facing a charge of defeating the ends of justice. In the sense, Your Worship, the state will allege and submit that the accused had actually or literally tipped off these ladies, Your Worship, as to the operation that was about to be start, Your Worship. The accused before court are also facing a charge, Your Worship, of theft and defeating the ends of justice, Your Worship.
The third pair of accused who appeared were also policemen. There were 3 who appeared before court today. They're also facing charges of defeating the ends of justice, theft, and their matter has been rolled over for tomorrow for address verification. As you know that this operation was very big and the police could not conclude or finish their work.
The state will oppose bail, but emotions flared outside the court. In a show of solidarity, this local group wants the accused released.
We're not going to leave this court unless and if only that our people are released. Yes. And our lawyers must do the right things inside there. Yes. Must negotiate with our judiciary. Yes. Even if we fail today, we'll go to Concord. We'll go to the highest court of this country. Yes. And even if Concord doesn't listen to us, we'll go to ICC. Yes. We are not scared to sacrifice our last cent just to build African unity.
South African people are very welcoming and very decent and very human. But there are few individuals, especially politicians, who use this kind of situation for their own political mileage and exploit the situations. The police have a right to conduct their jobs. In fact, we are happy whenever we see the police conducting this kind of raids, but it should always be under the confines of the law.
The police officials will return to court on Tuesday and next week for bail applications. Nosifa Mube, SABC News.